Hi, beautiful spicy family. Welcome to D Dawn Kitchen. Guess what, guys? D Dawn is in the kitchen to do today. Yes, you always get it so right. Garlic, butter, lobster tail. Hopefully, you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new, welcome. It's great to have you with us on our journey. If you are returning, welcome back. If you have been watching the video and you never yet subscribe and you feel like doing so today, please become a channel member, like, subscribe, share, comment, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a video when D-Dawn upload a video. Let's get started. 2 lobster tail, a sprig of thyme, 2 stalks of scallion, 6 cloves of garlic, some red crushed pepper, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon lime juice or lemon juice, 1 teaspoon all-purpose, half teaspoon the perfect pinch. This is hot base seasoning for crab, lobster. I'm using a pinch of it because it is hot and we already have the red pepper flake. So this fresh oregano, and we need a bowl of water because we're gonna prepare. You have to wash your lobster tail. So we're gonna pour some of the lime juice in the water. And we're gonna put the lobster tail in. Remember, the lobster tail is raw, just like fish. So you have to soak it, wash it in your lime or your vinegar to get out some of that rawness. So you're just gonna move the lobster tail from the water. You wanna pat dry a little of that water. And now, guys, look, the lobster tail. We're gonna open the lobster tail. We're gonna cut it in butterfly. So right in the center, right here, you see the center, that hole in it, we're gonna open the lobster tail with our kitchen scissors. Right in the center, just like this. You're not gonna go too far. You're just gonna stop it right here, right at the fin, the flap. You stop it right here, the opening. Show you. You're gonna take off all these little fin or the little foot. Let's clip them off. I don't need all of these. We're gonna try to open, and we're gonna do the butterfly. So you're gonna hold the shrimp right here, and you're just gonna pull back. It's a bit tough, but just take your time. You don't want the shell to break or anything. So you're just gonna go under with your hand. Just work your finger underneath it, just like this, to get the meat out. And we done one side, open to the other side. Just use a finger. And we're gonna take the vein out. This is a little brown vein right here. You're just gonna take it out. This is the intestine. Now that we finish, we're gonna flip our shrimp on top of the shell. getting the butterfly. And close it back. So I'm going to proceed doing the other one just the same way as we done that before. So let me get some of the thyme off, just for garnishing. So I'm just going to prepare my garlic. Guys, you don't have a cast iron or you don't have a oven, don't worry yourself about that. Just do the way Dida gonna show you how we're gonna do our butter shrimps today. There's so many ways to do that. And I'm gonna do all the garlic like this, and then I will be rinsing them. My green scallion or green onion, we're just gonna clip very fine. Just a few. Gonna place this with the thyme. Divide the all-purpose and our perfect pinch in half. And to that we're gonna add some of the bay seasoning. Or the garlic, I'm gonna compress the garlic. And I'm just doing right in this seasoning here. The rest of garlic I'll be compressing in the next half of the seasoning. Just gonna rub out this scallion and the thyme with oregano, rub it out, and follow me over to the stove, guys. There, I'm gonna place it in the water. I have some hot water on the fire boiling, and my first half of the seasoning, I'm just gonna add it in our pot of boiling water, and we're gonna add some butter in it. You know what I left out? I left out my salt. So I just put half a teaspoon, because without the salt our lobster will taste good. Our lobster can't have no taste. So this is what I'll be placing the lobster on. Just hold it like this and open it. And we're going back over to the stove. We're gonna place it in the pot just like that. And we're gonna place our lobster on top. I'm gonna apply some butter to our steamer. And we're gonna place our lobster on. The meat part down. Guys, you're watching the video today and you like what you see and you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe, like and share the video. Become a channel member, hit the notification bell so you will be the first to know when Dida upload a video. Just gonna place this down for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, we're gonna flip the lobster over. You notice the tail getting red. After the tail gets red, like the next one, I just want to get red like this, then I'm gonna move on. We're working on the garlic sauce. Combine the butter, the other half portion of the seasoning, and our garlic. And we're mixing it around. So it's like 10 minutes, and I will be removing the shrimp from the steamer. just gonna give this just 1 minute. Our butter sauce. I'm gonna add the thyme in. Just let it eat it just for 1 minute. We're gonna place back our shrimp in the butter sauce. Want the butter sauce to smooth run all over on the shrimp, on the lobsters. We place back our lobster in the butter garlic sauce and let the butter and the garlic run it all over on our lobster. You know guys, I went to buy a lobster. Yeah, a meal of lobster. I paid $50, 50 US for that. And look, these two cost me what, $22. Sometimes it's cheaper for you to buy your own stuff and cook your own stuff than buying. Just wanna feed the lobster with your butter sauce inside out. You want to flip it over and put some under. You can just do that to flip it over. Get some of our sauce underneath. Yeah, you have to turn the fire down. So that's the reason I can hold the lobster. So this is it. Beautiful spicy family. Our lobster garlic butter lobster tail is done ready for eating. Ain't it looking delicious, guys? So why not go ahead and give it a try? You spend so much buck out there, so much money to buy it when you can do your own. And I don't like my lobster in the oven, and I don't like it in the grill pan. I like it the way I do it, or I steam it, because that way it's very soft and nice and delicious. So give it a try, beautiful spicy family. I love you. Please ensure to watch, thumbs up, like and share the video. You can give this video a super thanks. You can become a channel member from D-Don Kitchen to where your kitchen. Guys, please remember, always stay positive. Always stay positive. And if you don't have good to say about each other, zip says nothing. I love you all, and I see you here on the next one. We're gonna jiggy now in this what, lobster tail. I thank you, beautiful people, for watching. I thank you. I love you from the depths of my heart. Peace and love. Bye. Bye for now.